Hey guys, so this is going to be a DIY how to cut oversized t-shirts and style. So here I have already cut this shirt. I was just kind of fixing it because where you see me putting the glue, it was kind of too open from the boob area, so I had to close it with a little bit more glue. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I did put that little strand on each side from the chest with the holes. I just bought that from Joann's, cut it into the size that I wanted, and I just put string on it as well, and also bought that from Joann's. Here I am getting an instinct t-shirt. I haven't touched it, so I'm just gonna grab some scissors, and I kind of just see how I'm gonna cut it before I do. And then I started off by making a little hole by the collar so that I can cut it all from the front part of the collar. You'll see me doing it, so it's kind of self-explanatory. And then here I'm just getting a marker to highlight where I want it to cut out with the scissors. And I always cut outside the green, or I'm sorry, whatever highlighter you use, I always cut outside of it. That way you cut out all the highlighted part. Oh, and this shirt, I got it from Target. And this one I just left as is. And here I'm getting another t-shirt. I got this one from a local night swamp meet. It's kind of like an outdoor boutique, a bunch of boutiques outside. It's pretty cool. And then I just got some other type of little strand from Joann's as well, and that one is white and has a little bit of lace and some pearls, and I thought it went perfect with the Selena t-shirt. And I'm just cutting out the same way I cut out the NSYNC t-shirt, and I'm just gonna put that strand of white pearl lace thing from the collar where I cut it out. And then here I'm just cutting out from the bottom as well. I kind of just honestly winged it by cutting it. I didn't line or anything, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It kind of looks real cute when it's distressed. Sorry. And then I'm also cutting off not a little bit less than half of the sleeve because they were extremely big on me. So it depends on how it fits you and how you want it to fit on your body. And then here I'm just measuring the fabric that I bought for the edges of the collar that I cut out, and I'm cutting them out, and you'll see me gluing it down. And I do get the glue from Michael's, and that's just a fabric glue, and you have to kind of hold it in place for a few seconds and just let it dry out. So I lay it flat somewhere around the house for a full 24 hours. And that is the final touch. And then the next shirt you're gonna see me try on with my first outfit. It's actually a Chris Brown t-shirt that I got from the concert that I went to, and I cut that one and put the string on as well myself. So I just didn't put that one on the video. And there you go. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys got some ideas, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.